What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Mike, and as you see, if you heard that, then yes, I am packed and I am on my way to the airport. And if you're watching this video and you read the title, you already know what the video is about. Sorry about the sexy purple lights. You know what I'm saying? If you know our spot, you got the Kobe Bryant poster right there for the purple, you know, yada, yada, yada. But, you know, this is traveling during the holidays, the do's and don'ts of traveling throughout the holidays. I thought it was perfect to make this video. Me personally, this is my first time actually flying in the holidays. I usually like drive wherever I gotta go. Let me close this up. Hold on. I'll see y'all in the car. Hold on. All right, y'all. Like I said, I'm gonna be giving y'all tips to traveling through the holidays. Okay, through the holidays. That's what the whole video is about. My bad. Like I said, I forgot my chains on my jewelry. My bad. I'm back though. You know what I'm saying? I can't travel without my jewelry. You know, that's one of my favorite things. You know, my birthday is coming up. You know, just in case you knew, or you didn't know. Now you know. But couldn't travel without my jewelry. That's number one. I wouldn't put that on the list. But some of the do's and don'ts of traveling. Number one, make sure you pack and pack light. Okay, pack light. You're not gonna be there that long, 2-3 days. You don't really like your family members anyway. That's number one. Number two, as y'all see my luggage in the back, make sure y'all prepared for parking. If you're going to the airport, have somebody drop you off. I don't recommend catching Ubers, but I do always recommend, you know, hopping on the public transportation, because that shit, hey, it's gonna take just as long as the Uber and it's way cheaper. So it's like, that's me. But, you know, when we get to the airport, I'm gonna give y'all some more tips, because I got a late flight. It's super late. As y'all see, it's dark. I got a late flight. I literally booked it the same day. So it is what it is. But I am traveling home for the holidays. You know, I got a little homesick. I miss my family. You know what I'm saying? But this is a do's and don'ts of traveling throughout the holiday vlog with your boy Mike Shaw. If you're new to the channel, you know, hit that subscribe button. If you're not, you know, I appreciate you watching again. Give us a thumbs up. Let me know you here, you know what I'm saying, and the do's and don'ts. But, you know, get ready for a lot more on this channel, you know what I'm saying. I got Vlogmas coming up. Y'all know I'll be lit doing Vlogmas because December is my birthday month. What else is going on? Oh, yeah, I'm going to start giving y'all some more of that NFT content, the Bitcoin current cryptocurrency content that y'all been hitting me up on Instagram for. More foodie content is definitely on the way, because y'all know when I go to Cleveland, I got to get me a corned beef sandwich. Y'all probably gonna see it in the next couple minutes, but I ain't gonna talk y'all to death. I'll see y'all at the airport in the next slide. Yeah, I am flying to Cleveland. And the domestic side traffic, as y'all just seen, is fucking ridiculous. So pro tip number 2 or 3. I think we had 3. If your city has an international entrance, go over there, park over there. Maybe if you parking, but go there. TSA is always shorted, no matter what. The TSA is always shorted with international flights, especially at nighttime. You know, if that's where you're going, go international. Go to the international side, because let me tell you, that shit is ridiculous. Like, and tomorrow's Thanksgiving, like, I can't even imagine. Like, I ain't even trying to be bothered with that. I can't even imagine. But I'll see y'all in a minute. I gotta get through TSA. I got an hour till my flight. Hopefully I make it. We don't know. Maybe you'll see it in the next clip, me on the board in the plane. I'll see you in a second. All right, y'all, I went through international TSA and I'm fine. I'm fine so far. Oh man, hey, that's a pro tip right there. I didn't think I was gonna make it. I probably got 40 minutes to my flight. 40 minutes to my flight. I'm gonna go get some food or something, or whatever's open. It's about 10 o'clock. I'm gonna hop on the train and go on the other side. I'll see y'all in a minute. Just hop on the train. You just hop on the train, dog. Domestic train. Can I go this way to the train? I don't feel like walking. Oh shit. These my favorite travel shoes though. I see your boy got some luggage. I'm a big boy traveler. Pro tip, about traveling during the holidays.
Welcome aboard the plane train.
Oh my
Please
God.
hold on. This train is departing.
Yeah. Another pro tip about traveling during the holidays: if you travel a little later at night and you have somebody to pick you
The
up,
next stop
you
is
get
Hercules
all
E
of the
as
train
in
to
Echo.
yourself when you come on the international side. This is a super pro tip right here. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to worry about nobody coughing, nobody doing this. You can just ride it like this. Like this. Whee! Whee! I ain't never got to do this ever. I'm so excited. Cause I'm a pro tipper. I see y'all in a minute. Hey y'all, I made it. Put my mask over my nose. Hopefully I get some snacks. I'm hungry. And I'll go ahead tonight. Man, shout out to that vending machine that stole $6 from me. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, thank God. Get me right. Get me right. Hey man, I'm saying I'm about to get blessed. You hear me? I'm about to get blessed, okay? Cousin opened the shop up extra early after molesting a turkey. But nah, yeah. Let's get it. Oh, let me take this shit off. You need me to take this off? I say blessed. Woo! Hey man. If y'all ever in Cleveland, man, y'all need a cut. Hit on my cousin, bro. His shit be fire. His shit don't be playing. He don't be playing with a nigga. All right, y'all. We in Cleveland. Say what's up. Let's go. Cleveland vlog. Let's go. All right, I'm off the plane. It's like 12 something. What time is it? It's 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm tired as fuck. What? Man, that flight was rocky as hell. I can't even lie, bro. That flight was rocky as hell. I thought I was gonna die. I did not think we was about to make that flight. I know I had to get one. You made it safe and sound. Hey, Jet.
Hey, kids, you always in that bitch. Shit, they can give your ass a little break. That I made sure my application I put no weekends because they be thinking they slick. I'll do a whole weekday, just no weekend. I would just say they
kids don't know about how I work.
Oh my God, are you recording me?
Huh?
Are you recording me?
No.
Looking crack.
Hey y'all, it's Kyla. They're back.
I'll be back in Atlanta
They're back.
in like 16 days.
Yeah. Oh my God. She's so thirsty.
Oh my God, you gotta edit that. They can't know who we talking about.
She even say the name.
I don't know.
Here go a
He
Gatorade.
is corny.
Give your friend this Gatorade. Cause she thirsty.
I'm thirsty too.
Go to hell. What is wrong with y'all? Jet. Stop. Kyla, what is you doing? What y'all supposed to pop the balloons without trying to pop them? Jet, what is y'all the pregnant people? You can't even stand up. Bro, you was retarded. Why you look like that? Take the balloon out. Y'all Jet pregnant. Kyla, what is you doing? You like, Jet, stop. Stop it. Act like a lady now. The hell? Act like a lady. Why you trying to get up like you pregnant? Kyla, stop. Act like a lady. You not pregnant. Where'd you hump it? Who you having sex with? Get up. You funny. Ugh, nobody want to see your butt. I gotta censor that out. Stop. Bye.
So we with the fam back again with another video.
That was not me. Hi.
We got the baby mamas. Pew, pew. Hey, you trying to kill him? Get out. The beautiful me,
Period.
even on the worst days.
Period.
Purr. Then we got the hater old brother who hates on the babies. It's okay. Ooh. I did not mean to do that. Hi guys.
All right, y'all. It's a couple days later. I've been spending time with my family and just hanging out, enjoying myself. I'm up here in Cleveland. I'll go back to Atlanta tomorrow afternoon. I go back tomorrow afternoon, and I'm gonna go to Atlanta. I'm gonna do some Atlanta stuff in between everything, and then I'm gonna be back here again. I'm right here. But, yeah, we're about to have another brother-sister game night, but this time, look y'all, this shit. I'm gonna focus on Jet face. Now it's back to my face, because we in cinematic mode now, guys. I got a new camera. Hopefully y'all appreciate this quality change. Doom, doom. But, like I said, we about to have a little game night. Jet ordered pizza, because she didn't want to cook. And
He said from something brain told me.
oh Lord, it's not good.
He said it was good.
All right, well, I'll see y'all in a minute when we playing game. Hey, y'all, remember this bar stool? I made that. I made that. That Jet's. Jet put up her Christmas tree and stuff. Y'all seen her house? She fancy. Look, she got an ice thing. Oh, she fancy.
So y'all drink.
Oh, hold on. All right, y'all. Jet got some ice in her ice tray. And she got me some good old fancy cranberry juice. Ooh, she got white cranberry. Okay. Ooh, she got metal straws. She fancy. This is a fancy gathering. This is nice. Jet fancy. She make drinks. They got a cart and everything. They play nice. This is fancy. Ooh, what is this? A whole drink? And we have metal straws. This is white creme grape with ginger beer.
Period, too. I got some sherbet, too. Got some sherbet.
I don't want to overdo it. All right, y'all. The game night didn't go as planned. Oh, here go Ryan. Here, Ryan? Yeah. But yeah, the game night didn't go as planned, so we ended up watching this Kevin Hart. It was pretty weird.
You want flowers, too?
Hey, Jet.
You want flowers, too?
Just right there.
Hey.
But it was pretty cool. But I'm about to end this vlog out. I got an early flight tomorrow. I need to study. Other than that, I'll see y'all next time. It's your boy Mike Shaw. Got here.